Gotta put the anti-seize lubricant on this thing, and then put it in here, and then put the springs on. The wrong way. Okay. And this. Uno. Alright, got it. I'll sit on the bike like that. Beautiful. Alright, now we're going to do removal of this bolt and this bolt to take off the old exhaust is size 12 metric. I gotta tighten up the for a couple days. Won't be able to ride it right now because look inside, nothing but snow. Alright, we're gonna do a sound test with the stock exhaust, just so you guys can hear it in the environment that I'm in right now, in the shed. Alright, sound test number 2. Alright, a little louder.